In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on iPhone 13 or iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase all of the options related to fonts on any iPhone model that you have. So it is going to work for the 13 and 14, but also any other model that you have available. And for this, you will need iOS 18, so keep that in mind. All of these options you will see if you are on iOS 18. So first, the main option regarding fonts is going to be available under Settings, then choosing the General category, and under General, you will find Fonts. Now, in here, you can download new fonts into your iPhone. So under System Fonts, you can browse through options to download. And if you go to My Fonts, as the name suggests, you will see the fonts that you have already downloaded onto this iPhone. So choose whichever option you would like to manage. Within System Fonts, you can preview specific ones and you can download new ones by using this blue download button. If you tap on a specific font, you will see all of the typefaces available, so stuff like regular, italic, bold, bold italic, and so on. You can tap on these to preview them. So this is going to be the primary way to download new fonts into your iPhone. Now, if you would like to modify the fonts across all applications, go into the settings, choose the accessibility category instead of general, and inside of accessibility, you will see display and text size. When you choose this option, you will see bold text and larger text. If you apply either of these options and you modify them, these are going to apply for every single application, message, text, and so on inside of your iPhone. So these two options or categories are going to be the only ways in which you will be able to modify the fonts on your iPhone. According to my research, besides this, the customization is extremely limited, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to change font on iPhone 13 or iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.